Hey, this is Walter and I'm with the IPS Signature Development Team. It is Tuesday, July 9th, and it is Patch Tuesday again. This month, Microsoft is releasing 17 bulletins that address 36 different CVEs. Hopefully I counted that one right. I ran out of fingers and toes after 19. All of those bulletins carry a critical rating with the exception of MS13-058. The first bulletin is affecting .NET Framework. This is MS13-052. This one addresses 3 critically rated CVEs and 4 important rated CVEs. Overall, the bulletin carries a critical rating. CVE 2013-3131 has been publicly disclosed, and there is an IPS signature available for it. CVE 2013-3134 also has been publicly disclosed. There are a total of 5 bulletins that affect Windows. The first one, MS13-053, this is the kernel mode driver bulletin. This one addresses 2 critically rated CVEs, 5 important rated CVEs, and 1 moderate rated CVEs. Overall, the bulletin carries a critical rating. This is a must-patch bulletin for this month. CVE 2013-3660 has been publicly disclosed, and Microsoft is aware of some targeted attempts at exploitation of this vulnerability as an elevation of privilege. The next bulletin, MS13-054, this is the GDI bulletin, addresses 1 critically rated CVE. It is also rated critical. There is no IPS signature available for it, but there are other mitigations available to you. MS13-056, this is the directional bulletin, addresses 1 critically rated CVEs. Overall, the bulletin carries a critical rating. MS13-057, this is the media bulletin, addresses 1 critically rated CVE. Overall, the bulletin carries a critical rating. And then MS13-058, this is the Defender Bulletin, addresses 1 important rated CVEs. This is the one that is not carrying a critical rating this month, right? This one's rated important. And then finally, there's 1 bulletin that affects Internet Explorer. This is MS13-055. This one addresses 16 critically rated CVEs and 1 important CVE. Overall, the bulletin carries a critical rating, and this is also a must-patch for this month. Honestly, this is as simple as getting a user to visit a malicious website for possible exploitation. Again, must patch this month. For this bulletin now, not all of the vulnerabilities have IPS signatures available, but a pretty good number do. For things where we don't have IPS signatures available to us, there are additional mitigations in some cases, and you can find this by visiting us at cisco.com/security. There you'll see all the alerts, the IPS signature linkage, and also linkage to the Applied Mitigations Bulletin. The Applied Mitigations Bulletins give you ways to mitigate vulnerabilities using other Cisco devices. For a different look at the entire Microsoft release, take a look at the event response, and that kind of charts everything out in a nice little graph that breaks down each bulletin, each vulnerability, IPS signatures or additional mitigations available to you, and also presents you the CVSS score. Okay, that does it for me for this month, and we'll see you next time.